Hey, welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to verify your Binance account. First of all, open up your preferred web browser and type in binance.com and click on enter. You need to log into your account. After that, you can see verify now button here, or you can also click on your profile icon and click on verify now button here. Now select your residency by clicking on this drop-down menu. After that, click on continue button. Now select your nationality from here. After that, type in your basic information like your legal name on this field and your last name here, and type in your date of birth in this field here. After that, click on continue button. You need to type your street name on this field. After that, click on continue button. Now, you can also type in your postal code on this field. You also need to type in your city name on the third field here. Now, click on continue button. Now, from this step, you need to provide a government issue ID like passport or driving license, or you can also provide national ID card. Binance will prompt you to upload a photo of both the front and back. Ensure the images are clear, high quality and well lit to avoid rejection. Here, select the document type and click on continue button. Binance may also ask for facial verification to complete the process. Follow the on-screen instructions to capture a photo of your face. This step usually requires you to use the camera on your phone or computer. After that, Binance will review your document and face verification. Approval may take anywhere from a few minutes to a few hours. You will receive an email notification once the process is complete. Once verified, you will be able to enjoy full access to Binance features, including higher withdrawal limits and unrestricted tradings. So that is how you can verify your Binance account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down if you have any queries.